Yo, what's up everyone? It's Casey Neistat here, and today we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. Today we're talking about something huge. AI. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution. No, not robots taking over the world. We're talking about practical AI that you can use every day. We're talking about AI tools that can make your life easier, more productive, and way more creative. Imagine having a digital assistant that never sleeps. Think of it like having a superpower right at your fingertips. These tools can help you brainstorm, organize, and execute your ideas flawlessly. We're diving into 3 game-changing AI tools: ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Notion AI. Each of these tools offers unique capabilities that can transform your workflow. These tools are like having a team of super smart assistants, ready to help you with anything you throw at them. Whether it's writing, designing, or managing projects, they've got you covered. From writing killer emails to creating stunning artwork, these AI tools are total game changers. They can even help you manage complex projects with ease. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of AI. This is not just about technology, it's about enhancing your life. We're about to explore how these incredible tools can revolutionize the way you work, create, and live. Imagine the possibilities when you have AI as your co-pilot. Trust me, after this, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without them. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Imagine having a conversation with the smartest person you know, available 24/7, ready to assist you with any query. Need help writing a blog post? ChatGPT's got you covered. It can generate ideas, structure your content, and even suggest catchy headlines. Stuck on a tricky email? ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect response, ensuring your message is clear and professional. But ChatGPT's talents don't stop there. It's a versatile tool for a variety of creative tasks. Use it to brainstorm ideas, whether you're planning a project, writing a novel, or just need some inspiration. Generate content for social media, or even write code. ChatGPT can assist with technical tasks, making it a valuable resource for developers. It's like having a personal assistant for all things writing and brainstorming, always ready to help you tackle your to-do list. And the best part? ChatGPT is incredibly easy to use. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone. Just type in your request and watch it work its magic. It's that simple and efficient. Don't be intimidated by the tech. ChatGPT is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of your writing skills or technical expertise. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a beginner, ChatGPT can help. Think of it as a tool to unlock your inner wordsmith and boost your productivity. It can transform your writing process. With ChatGPT by your side, writer's block will be a thing of the past. You'll find yourself more inspired and productive than ever before. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI art with MidJourney, a revolutionary tool that's changing the way we create. This incredible tool lets you create stunning visuals with just a few words, making the art creation process more accessible than ever before. That's right, you don't need to be a Photoshop pro or have years of experience to bring your artistic visions to life. MidJourney simplifies the process for everyone. Simply type in a description of what you want to create and MidJourney will generate multiple options for you to choose from, each one unique and tailored to your input. Want a surreal landscape with floating islands? No problem. MidJourney can bring your wildest imaginations to life with ease. How about a portrait of your dog in the style of Van Gogh? MidJourney can handle it, blending classic art styles with modern technology. The possibilities with MidJourney are endless. From abstract designs to realistic portraits, the only limit is your imagination. Use it to create unique artwork for your home, adding a personal touch to your living space with pieces that reflect your style. Design eye-catching graphics for social media, making your posts stand out and engage your audience like never before. Or even generate visuals for your next project, whether it's a presentation, a report, or a creative endeavor. MidJourney empowers you to explore your creativity and express yourself in ways you never thought possible. Dive in and see where your imagination can take you. Section 4. Notion AI, Become an Organization Ninja. Now let's talk about getting organized with Notion AI. Notion is already a powerhouse for note-taking, project management, and more. But with the addition of AI, it becomes an indispensable tool for streamlining your life. Notion AI can summarize lengthy documents, generate creative content, translate languages, and even write entire blog posts for you. Imagine being able to turn your messy notes into a polished document with just a few clicks. That's the power of Notion AI. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to get their life in order, Notion AI is here to help. It's like having a personal assistant for all things organization and productivity. Say goodbye to procrastination and hello to a more efficient and productive you. Section 5. AI and you, a powerful team. As you can see, ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Notion AI are more than just cool tech toys. They're powerful tools that can transform the way you work, create, and live. By embracing these AI tools, you're not replacing your skills, you're enhancing them. Think of AI as your secret weapon, helping you to achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. These tools are designed to augment your abilities, not replace them. It's all about collaboration, with AI handling the tedious tasks so you can focus on what you do best. The future of work and creativity is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and discover how these tools can work for you. The possibilities are limitless. Section 6. Join the AI revolution today. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI and unlock your full potential. Start by experimenting with ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Notion AI. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Remember, the future is what we make it. And with the power of AI at our fingertips, the possibilities are endless. So go out there, embrace the AI revolution, and create something amazing. Peace out.